Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So for all you people who are new, my name is Sonia, and in today's video, I'm going to bring you guys along of the walk-in closet. As you guys remember, uh, when we came here, I had kind of like threw all the stuff into that closet, even things that I was going to purge, that I was going to sell, that I was going to use in the house, and figured out like some of that stuff I really didn't need. So y'all already know. She got rid of it. She got rid of the majority of it. I think I tell y'all in every video, I might have a few pieces, here and there that either I'll give them away, like I said, or I'll see if it'll fit into the house and see how that works, for like how it makes me feel. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to show you how the closet turned out. I'm going to show you guys how the closet turned out. I absolutely love it. And I just wanted it to be where I wanted it to be to function way more than just a closet. And then you guys will understand. You guys always understand, I think. So without further ado, keep on watching this video. All right, guys? All right, guys, I almost forgot one thing. So in the next video, I will be showing you guys where I placed the canvas, how I decorated the canvas, like I said, where I placed it, and also like some of the things that I just bought for the home, coming from the money that I used when I sold some stuff. What else was it? I'm so sorry, y'all, that I had to come back again and tell you guys this. But yeah, I will show you where I put all the thrifted haul things that I got from that last video you guys seen after you guys see the walk-in closet tour. So, okay, I'll see you in a minute. I'll see you in the video. Okay, guys, as you remember, the walk-in closet is down the hall right here. We're going to open her up. And this is what she looks like now. Y'all, I absolutely love it. It is really bright and airy. What I did was, let me see if I can turn it down a little bit. It's just bright in here, guys. I'm so sorry, it's really bright. So what I did, okay, there we go. What I did was, my daughter gave me a great idea, because as you guys remember, this was already dark, and these parts were light. So all of this was a really light color. It was the color of these natural hangers. And she said, why don't you use the leftover wood stain? Oh, and for all you guys that wanted to know what wood stain that I used on that shelf, it was is it Winmex or something like that? But it's mahogany. That was the color that I used to stain the shelf in the hallway coming through the back entryway. So guys, yes. So what I did was I went on and painted all the way up to the top. I painted all the way here, like so. I painted all the way down till where the wood ends. I added contact paper here. I added this, it's kind of like it's kind of like a lattice print. That's what it looks like. A Moroccan lattice print that you can find at Dollar Tree. So I said, since the walls were going to be white, because I used the rest of the bright white paint that was left from doing the doors in the bedroom for the master bedroom closet, I just followed along in here. So this is what it looks like. So you have exactly, oh guys, I didn't even realize. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 shelves. So my intentions are for the aesthetics, I think I'm going to add, if I can find me a really nice tray or a basket, well, actually a basket. I will be housing a basket here, like so, to people to, like put your keys and things like that. And then for a company, like whether it's women, they can put their purses up here, along this side. And then if it's for guys, you can drop your wallet into the basket. That is what I'm looking for. So guys, yeah, it just really turned out really, really good. Look how rich that looks. Just by adding some mahogany, oh my gosh, y'all, some mahogany stain. So I added the hangers. You guys remember I hauled these. I think I hauled these back before coming here. So I have the dark wood ones, and I have my light bamboo looking ones. They both wood, but they're really pretty. It looks really nice. And then up here, guys, I had some crate and barrel dishes. that I gifted. I think I gifted someone in my family, but I kept the boxes to that, so I just put that up there for aesthetics. You know how that goes. And then I have a bag of, it was some other things that I bought for the home from Crate and Barrel. And then up here, guys, if you can see, y'all, if y'all remember, this sign right here was in the kitchen, and it said farmhouse. So what I did was I just took some black flat spray painted it, and wrote this on there myself, hello gorgeous, because when you think about it, when you come inside, that is the first thing they are going to see. So I don't know if you guys are looking back here. I got to get some more paper, because I did contact paper this part as well. If you can see, I hope it's not too bright. So yeah, so I just have to go back with that. I'm not going to worry about that right now. But guys, I am absolutely in love with the closet and how it turned out. I really, really like how that looks. The paint turned out really, really good. It makes it just look really, really rich. Really, really rich. So yeah, guys, and I have a whole lot of space. So what I did was I removed the vacuum cleaner that was already in here. I'm going to put it in the other room that has a closet that has nothing in there. I think it has storage made in there, but I can add, you know, the vacuum cleaner won't be no problem. I just love how that looks, guys. Look at that, all this space. So let's go inside. So guys, I am actually in the closet now. I ain't gonna shut it because I don't want to get locked out of here. So this is how big this closet is, guys. Can y'all see what I'm saying? It's so big, and it's gonna look really, really nice when people come and put their coats and stuff up. So yeah, that is how that looks. I'm gonna step out of here. So I did paint all the baseboards, got painted fresh white, all even down here, all of that. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the master, well, not master, but it's a walk-in closet. Oh, and also the lighting, guys. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can be able to show you. I added one of those, there you go. I added one of those big kind of like LED lights that were in the, that are also recessed lightings that's in the kitchen, you remember? So I added one in here, and that's what makes it very much brighter, because it's a daylight bulb. And yeah, guys, this is what you see as far as the walk-in closet. So just imagine, I am gonna hang the coats up in here. Just imagine, you know, a basket here, and I think I'm also gonna add like some, maybe a fragrance or something, some kind of little something, or a candle, just to give it some fragrance and just for the aesthetics. So guys, yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So let me know in the comments below, because I know you will. Do you guys like it? What do you think about the sign? I really love that. I absolutely love that. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.